Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're venturing into a crucial realm of health, vitamins that are instrumental in repairing and maintaining the health of our nerves. Our nervous system is intricate, and understanding the role of specific vitamins can be transformative. Let's explore these essential nutrients, backed by proven and authentic information. Our journey begins with vitamin B12. This vitamin is paramount for nerve function and the synthesis of myelin, the protective coating around nerves. Deficiency in B12 is linked to peripheral neuropathy and other nerve-related disorders. Sources rich in B12 include meat, fish, eggs, and dairy. For those following a plant-based diet, consider fortified cereals, plant-based milk, and nutritional yeast. Next up is vitamin B6. This vitamin is vital for neurotransmitter synthesis, facilitating communication between nerve cells. Additionally, B6 contributes to myelin formation. Foods rich in vitamin B6 include bananas, avocados, poultry, fish, whole grains, and nuts. Now, let's delve into vitamin B1, also known as thiamine. Thiamine is essential for nerve impulse transmission and energy metabolism within nerve cells. Deficiency can lead to conditions like beriberi, affecting the nervous system. Whole grains, legumes, nuts, and pork are excellent sources of thiamine. Turning our attention to vitamin E, a potent antioxidant crucial for nerve health. Vitamin E protects nerves from oxidative stress, potentially preventing nerve damage. Almonds, sunflower seeds, spinach, and avocados are rich sources of vitamin E. Now, the often discussed vitamin D. Beyond its well-known role in bone health, vitamin D is involved in nerve function and may play a role in protecting against neurodegenerative diseases. Sunlight exposure, fatty fish, fortified dairy products, and mushrooms are good sources. Let's talk about vitamin C. This vitamin is essential for collagen synthesis, a structural component of nerves. In addition to its antioxidant properties, vitamin C supports the integrity of nerve tissues. Citrus fruits, strawberries, kiwi, and bell peppers are excellent sources. Lastly, while not a vitamin, omega-3 fatty acids are crucial for nerve health. These fats support the structure of cell membranes and may aid in nerve repair. Fatty fish like salmon, chia seeds, and flax seeds are rich sources of omega-3s. Incorporating these vitamins into your diet is not just about nerve repair but also maintaining overall health. However, it's essential to approach this holistically, ensuring a well-balanced diet, regular exercise, and consultation with healthcare professionals for personalized advice. These vitamins work synergistically, and a comprehensive approach to health is key. If you found this information insightful, give this video a thumbs up, share it with those who might benefit, and subscribe for more in-depth insights on natural health. Until next time, take care of your nerves, and be well.